Hi, I'm Jim Welling. I'm going to talk about my work, Metamorph. It's a new video that I've created for login. Metamorph is a sequence of 120 still images that are shown on the screen for half a second each. So it's about a minute long. It's a very fast-paced video. It uses images that I created for a larger work called Choreograph. And in Choreograph, I photographed dance, architecture, and landscape, combining them in a sort of triple exposure where the colors are altered and become almost psychedelic. In the video, Metamorph, you see the transformations in the images as I add different colored layers and make changes. So in a way, Metamorph is a sort of way of looking at the working process to create this larger body of work, Choreograph. I like seeing all of these variations and outtakes and looking at the process of making this larger work. When you look at the video, you'll see a silent screen playing the 1-minute tape. And then if you wish to, you can connect and listen to the audio track on an iPhone. The audio was created by my brother, Will Welling. It's a very rapid piece of music performed on an electronic harp. It's a piece that he titled Metamorph. He's a geologist, and he was interested in these rock formations in Connecticut, where we're from. And so he likes to compose music. He does musical portraits, writes music about landscapes. So it's about a 30-second tune that's repeated twice with some variations. What's great about Metamorph is the tempo is 120 beats per minute, which is exactly the pace of my video. Will created the music in the early 2000s, and I've always liked it. And when I was trying to think of something to accompany my video, I naturally thought of this piece of music, and it lines up perfectly. So it looks as if I cut the footage to the music, but in fact it's a very happy coincidence. In Choreograph, I was interested in exploring what's known as trichromatic color. To make each image in Choreograph, I'm putting a different black and white picture into one of the three color channels, the red, green, and blue color channels of any Photoshop document. And when you do this, you get a very ugly psychedelic image that I then massage, work on, alter until it suits what I'm looking for. Of course, each picture has its own unique characteristics, and I don't really know what I'm looking for. So it's a process of a lot of experimentation, a lot of failures, a lot of variations, and it's out of these failures and variations that I created Metamorph. I've asked that this portion of the video be converted to black and white because, in a way, black and white is the essence of color. That each still that you're seeing in Metamorph is composed of 3 black and white images that are copied into the color channels. So ironically, it's only by converting black and white into color or forcing it into the color space that color is obtained.